Uh, sorry, sipping some water. You understand?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Come back here. You said hell. Come on. Huh, she's gonna scope some smoke her ass.
Dude, coach, what happened to the no cussing? God.
I know.
The apocalypse like got to him. I learned today from Boomer should have like a secondary ability to where he'll just sit on you and you like instantly die.
That's hot. Just sits on my face.
I mean, if you want him to.
Yeah. You like my place?
Dude,
You
it's
can go up
pretty
here,
nice.
and you can go up here. You can watch to make sure no women are allowed. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, dude.
Got
Got the sniper. Got the sniper. Oh, Rochelle, come up.
Rochelle, get the hell down here. That's what the sniper's for.
Exactly. Dude, I see that. I see the nasty whammon that did that. I sniped her with my no girls allowed sniper.
That's the name after you pack a punch it.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, what a throw!
Yeah, did you?
Because I don't know.
Uh oh. Well, I guess that's what I get.
IBBD.
Chapping. Okay, you're really. What's wrong, Michelle? Yeah, Michelle. Get inside.
Oh god. Bye, coach.
A clean sweep.
Oh my god.
I got just levitated onto your face.
This is where we had that tank pull up.
Jesus, how many witches, yo?
Yeah, there's a lot of witches that spawn here. Oh! Back down! Back down!
Would you look at that? Go.
Are you serious?
Ah, that's it. Oh. Climb, you dumb bitch! What?
I startled the
Oh, I
witch?
thought that was me.
Are you serious? And there's more zombies? Oh my god. Dude! No! This game!
Combo.
Are you serious?
I found him. You gonna kill me with this car? No! No!
Don't trust me.
Oh, we got a tank.
Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know he was right there.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, I did not mean to fall. I did not mean to fall. Why is he coming for me? Why? What did I do?
This is a sad day to be Crunch, I'm sorry. Yo, he's climbing. Oh my god. Oh my
wow, he
god.
double tap. There he is.
Oh, what the? Nah, freak you.
I'm down. Oh, it's deep under there. It's also very
I know.
smooth.
Yeah, very smooth and very deep. I wish there was like crocodiles down there. That way it actually makes sense why you die.
Doesn't he come now?
Yeah, he's here. Get on the
Ow.
boat. Get on the
I swear to
boat.
God, the bots fuck us again.
Nah, no,
Oh
last
God.
time. Last time wasn't the bots. It was. Oh my no.
Fuck.
Yeah, it was Puff.
No, it bounced me off of the thing. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Go, 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 go.
Get on, get on, get on.
Leave, leave, leave.
Yes. Oh, thank God.
Holy shit. Why was it? It was like about to let us go. Yeah, we
Jeez.
never played this.
Yeah, we never beat it. We never beat it. I remember because we just like got off after we lost. Oh,
That
thank
one mission
God.
took us like an hour.
Yeah.
Yep.
I died so many